set Philippines who won in straight sets against the Galleries Tower High Risers. Coach, congratulations. This is a really good start for next leg in the preseason. What can you say about how the team won against Galleries in straight sets?
First of all, it's false 3-0 because it's 26-24, 25-23, 25-23. So it was a very tough battle. Honestly, we won when we started being a team in the middle of the first set. There is one moment I think it was 13-3. So we started to play with patience in our system, passing very good, increasing a little bit of the system of passing. And then, to be honest, today my lateral ones, so my open spikers and my opposite, they have done a very good work. So that's why.
Thank you, Coach. And best player of the game, Job Fernandez. Job, kamusta lang din yung mga nagiging adjustments mo with this new team? And ngayon, nakapag-best player of the game ka pa?
Siyempre po, sa una, medyo nahihirapan ako kasi tutorial, kita Italian coach, and andyan din naman mga ibang coaches and mga amin ko para tulungan ako para mag-adjust.
And for EJ, yun nga, 3-0 start for next leg of this preseason. Ano lang siguro masasabi mo about sa nagiging chemistry, nagiging performance ni as a team throughout the past 3 games?
Naalala ko lang nasabi ko last season na very competitive talaga yung teammates ko sa training. So parang ngayon, nakita na namin sa loob siya ng court. Kaya yun, happy lang ako na lalabasan namin yung laro namin.
For Coach, even though it's just the preseason, it's the first time next week had a 3-0 start for a PBL campaign. So you're hitting new heights every day almost for the team. So what do you think has been the biggest change, or what, again, I guess, is the spark that the team found over the past few months that has now led to a much better showing for the team?
So, to be honest, we have to face the reality. The reality is that the level is absolutely not higher than the last season. Okay, the whole Filipino conference was a higher level. So we have kept working with the same system. So it was simple for the new players to enter in. We take very good players to rise the level. So basically, we double up in a way because the other teams are a little less and we are 2 times more. So that's the real reason.
And for EJ and Joe, yun nga mas marami ng mata na nakatutok sa inyo lalo ngayon dahil 3-0 kayo. So, kumbaga may extra pressure, may extra expectations ba yun na katubas din sa team? Or paano nyo na-handle yung kumbaga ngayon 3-0 kayo, mas may kailangan kayong panindigan sila?
Sa akin, kasi actually hindi naman namin siya iniisip. Kasi kapag lalo namin iniisip, mas siguro hindi namin mapapakita na ganito yung laro namin. So, nag-relax na kami sa loob ng court, kung ano yung game plan ni Coach, yun yung sinusunod namin, and yun.
And sa inuupisan po talaga namin sa training lagi, siguro hard work, and then pay off. Yun na, pag manalo, bonus po talaga sa akin.
Coach, it's the best start for the team, but how are you just managing expectations as well, knowing that it's a preseason tournament for you?
So right now we have a speech, I think about 10 days ago, and we said, okay, right now people is not considering us anymore the worst team or something like this, you know, or the dark horse, or I don't know how to define it. So we have to start thinking about it and accepting a little bit of extra pressure more. So what we try to do during the practices is to try to rise our pressure and to have a natural managing of the game like all the set today, but at the same time to try to become a little bit depth about what is outside, because the truth is that every single conference is different and every single match is totally different, and we know that now we're going to face 2 very good teams. And so, what happened before, it's really nice, and last year, I'm very grateful for my management to Sir Chris to give me this opportunity to be head coach in the team. But at the same time, we know that if the next 2 games we lose without winning or taking points, probably we are out of the immediate quarterfinals. So we have 10 days to recover, to think, to study, and to try to be better.
For Jove and EJ, nung first set, down kayo parang 3-14. In siguro previous conferences, siguro medyo mahirapan na makahabol yung next set doon. But how much has your confidence changed after the past 2 games na 2-0 kayo and then coming back to win this in 6-6?
Ako lagi mong sinasabi sa mga teammate ko na lagi nating tiyagain, patience lang hanggang makuha natin. And sabi ko, dapat hard work lang lagi.
Sa akin naman nung gano'n na yung score, parang hindi na namin tinignan yung score. Mas nag-enjoy na lang kami sa loob ng court para lumabas yung laro namin.
Sa players, siguro aware naman kayo na dumating si Bawal dito. So ano lang reaction nyo nung makita nyo nasa stands tapos nag-cheer kasi?
Siguro sa akin nakaka-boost siya ng confidence namin kasi sana natin kay Ate May. Si Ate May po talaga yung dahilan kung bakit andyan po siya.
Happy lang ako na na-appreciate ng mga artista ang volleyball na nanonood talaga sila.
Coach, your last 2 games in the preliminaries will be against Farfresh and PNP in Cebu, as well as you'll be facing Coach Lodi with Farfresh. So how will you be taking those next 2 games in Cebu?
One at a time. No, I'm not kidding. We are, first of all, finishing the other game. So we know that this is a team that, compared to other teams, they didn't lose many players because of us. So we know it's a tough team. We will try to prepare the team as much as we can, and then we start to think about Alessandro's team, about Farfresh. But honestly, I know it's 2 games. The first one, the LDT, is a very good team, and the other team has a very good coach.